Hello darlings, how are you guys doing? So I'm really excited to be coming to you guys today to tell you guys about my crochet lace wigs. So quite a few of you have asked me to make some wigs for sale based on the wig videos that I've been making over the past few months, and I've decided to take your request into consideration, and finally today I'm able to tell you guys all about the wigs that I'll be offering and what you guys can expect from the wigs. So first of all, these are handmade crochet lace wigs by yours truly, and I use the same technique which I use in my videos to create the lace portion of the wigs, so you guys can have an idea of how it will look when you receive it. But of course I've amplified the technique to ensure that the wigs look a lot better and last a lot longer. You guys have been asking for these for several months. I had to do a lot of experimenting before putting these out, a lot of research, and even while doing my research, this is when I found out about some of the harsh chemicals that are used on the braiding hairs. So that is also something I wanted to mention. So all of these wigs that I'll be selling, they're first pre-rinsed and specially cared for, shampooed, conditioned, and treated properly before making the wig. So you guys can be rest assured that these wigs will not have the harsh chemicals that the hair usually have on it when they are coming directly from the factory. I am very meticulous about ensuring that the wigs are looking as natural as possible. So even though I'm using synthetic hairs to make these wigs, they're of, I would say, premium quality. So I consider them more as premium quality synthetic wigs, if you guys kind of picture what I'm trying to say. So they look natural, they're of high quality, the texture feels not like typical synthetic wigs, they more feel like human hair. As you guys see, they're not looking shiny or looking so fake like most synthetic wigs that are on the market right now. So I wanted to mention that all the wigs are customized for you, so you don't have to do any customization at all when you get it. You just need to just take it out and be ready to go. With some of the curlier types, I would leave the textures in until you get that, because I want it to be fresh. So with those wigs, you would need to just kind of separate the curls when you receive them. But all the wigs, in terms of the lace portion of the wigs, they're all customized and just ready to wear. Sorry guys, it's raining outside right now, so if you're hearing any sound, that is from the rain. Yeah, and also after experimenting with the wigs for several months and wearing all the different types of wigs, I've decided not to use any wig clips or any elastic bands in the wigs. You absolutely don't need them. These wigs sit comfortably on your head without clips or bands. However, I will be inserting a grip to the packaging of the wigs, so you'll be able to secure your wigs with a wig grip instead of using an elastic band, or instead of using wig clips, because I just find that the grip is able to still hold the wig in place a lot firmer, and it does not affect your hairline any at all. And the thing I like about these wigs as well, as you guys saw me doing a few of my videos, they're wigs that you put behind the hairline, so you're not going to be doing a lot of work when you put them on to go somewhere. You just need to put it on your head and you're ready to go. You don't have to be worried about any lace showing at the front or anything like that. You don't have to be using any got to be glued or any type of glue at all to hold them in place. I will have more videos coming out showing you guys how I do that, but you guys need to follow me on my Instagram account as well as my Instagram for the wigs, because I'll be showing a lot of steps there on how to secure the wigs and how to care for the wigs in general. So I'll be showing a lot more mini tutorials there. I just don't think it's necessary for me to put them on my YouTube channel, so I'll be just showing them on my Mariam Coreen Beauty Instagram page. So if you guys are not yet following me, you might want to go ahead and do so right now by following my Mariam Coreen Beauty Instagram page. So the last thing I want to touch on is the lifespan of these wigs. So these wigs should last you easily up to about 6 months with proper care. Even more, if you really know how to care for your hair, you are able to wash them, you're able to go back in and restyle if needs be. So pretty much all the steps that you would normally do to care for a human hair, you're able to do them with these wigs, which is what makes them so special and just make them something that, yeah, you guys I think will really enjoy. I put a lot of work into these wigs. I'm extremely passionate about ensuring that you guys get the best experience ever when you wear one of my wigs. So yeah, it's just a whole lot of love and heart that I put into each and every single wig that I create. It's nothing rushed. You guys know it's something that I really love doing. I've been doing this for the longest time. I've been in this beauty field, and even though I've just started showing wigs on my channel a few months ago, like, I'm no stranger. I'm not new to making wigs. I've been making wigs from the beginning. So I have a lot of experience in terms of knowing what people are looking for in a wig, as well as knowing what works best, what is safest for your natural hair, what is gonna protect your hair best while still looking as natural as possible. Oh, and one more thing, all the wigs that I'll be selling, I don't try them on personally. I'm not trying any of these wigs on my head before selling them. I just think that's not hygienic, of course not. So you guys don't need to worry about that. All the wigs are made and I only make them on my mannequin head, and I do not try them on to see if they fit or not. I'm not worried about them not fitting. I'm sure that they will fit each person's head, and they're adjustable, so you guys won't have a problem in that department. So yeah, and also each of the wigs that I made for sale, I also sample them. So first, you guys are gonna see pictures of me wearing the wigs because I needed to try out each and every one of them, and just to see, especially the ones that are of different curl patterns and stuff like that. I need to try them out to see how long they'll hold up, and yeah, what they can take and what they cannot take, so that I can better advise you guys when you purchase a wig. So this is all I have to say for today. If you guys are looking for a beautiful, lovely wig that looks really natural, that's affordable, that is really pretty, you guys can just go follow my Mariam Coreen beauty page on Instagram. I'll be leaving the link to that in my description box, so you guys can just follow me there. I'll be taking orders for now only by DMs, so you guys will need to DM me there to purchase a wig. So I look forward to sending out some beautiful wigs, some of my prized babies, to you guys. I'm looking forward to doing that. So thank you guys so much for your love. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you guys so much for your continued support, and I'll see you guys soon.